Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chaos Kitchen. I received a lot of good feedback on my video last time. People said things like, Marty, please stop making these. Enough, this is really embarrassing to your brand. So I decided to go ahead and make another one. But today what we're going to be making is one of my favorite foods and one of baby boomers' least favorite foods, which is avocado toast. All the ingredients I'm using today you can find at Trader Joe's. That's just one of my preferences. I find they have a lot of good stuff, but you can get these anywhere. So what you're going to need is avocados. They have this everything but the bagel seasoning, which I think is really key to this avocado toast. It's so good. I generally like to use a sourdough bread, but you can really use any bread. I like to use green onions on it, and then I also have, this isn't from Trader Joe's, so I'm going to cheat a little bit, but this is a sauce from a local Korean restaurant that we really like to use on top of it. So I would recommend something spicy or something that has a little bit of a kick to it to put on top. So the first thing you're going to want to do, just to save yourself some time, is start toasting up your bread while you're cutting your avocado. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the toaster. So then as your bread is toasting, we're going to go ahead and cut the avocados. What I like to do, first cut them in half, then you do this. This makes me so nervous, doing this little chop thing. Worked out well that time. And then just put one really shallow slice in the skin of the avocado. And what that is going to allow you to do, I just put that right down the middle there. That allows you to just peel the skin off, like so. And then in terms of ratios, I generally like to use one avocado per slice of toast. I think that's a pretty good amount. One thing I found that's really important too is the amount that your avocado has ripened. So if you end up having an avocado that's underripe or overripe, it's not going to taste real good. So one way to test that is real simple. Just kind of feel the outside shell. If it gives a little bit, it's probably ready. But if it gives too much, it might be overripened. So just make sure that you catch it in time after literally like 1 hour. They're past their peak. So what we're going to do next is cut the green onions. And I'm going to do it on the same cutting board because I am from the Rust Belt and we do not waste things. But you can use both the white and the green parts. It adds a nice little mix to it. We're going to go ahead and spread this on. You've probably seen this done a million times, but just press the avocado into the toast with a fork. Take some of the green onions and just sprinkle on a few. And then we're going to take the Trader Joe's bagel. Seems like I'm doing an ad for Trader Joe's. I'm not. I just love their stuff. We'll use some of the spicy Korean sauce and then sort of just drizzle that on. This is generally pretty easy, and this is my favorite way that I've made avocado toast. So also a lot of the times I'll put a fried egg or a poached egg on. If you want to do a poached egg, I just made a tutorial on that, so see the link in my bio to watch that video. But that also can add to the flavor. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped you guys out a little bit, and stay tuned for more.